Hey guys, I saw this on YouTube and I thought I had to make one, and it's a mini cannon made out of aluminum foil, matchsticks as propellant, and we're going to shoot those little plastic airsoft BBs. But alright, you start by getting you a nice square piece of foil and you wrap it around something nice and round. I got this X-Acto knife here I'm going to use. And you want it pretty tight so that it holds itself. Alright, take a piece of tape and tape down it to hold it tight. Okay, now you want to wiggle it off just a little bit and twist up one of the ends. Alright, I got a popsicle stick I broke in half. I got some hot glue that I'm just going to heat up with my lighter. What we're going to do is we're going to tape some legs to it. Right about there. And you don't want to crush in your cylinder. I'm going to bend the leg out just a little bit. Now to the other side. Okay, to make sure it's not crushed in, I'm going to slide my X-Acto knife back down the barrel and just kind of work it back into the bottom. Okay, now this popsicle stick, I'm going to break just a little bit shorter. And then we're going to glue it about right there. Alright, and she's built. Okay, now take some matches. Alright, let me get a handful of these and we'll go from there. Okay, now we got quite a few scraped off and we got them on the paper here. We're going to fold the paper in half. And we want to crush it. Okay, once you get it kind of crushed up, make sure your barrel's straight. And then you want to dump it into and just guide it in. Okay, kind of tap it a little bit. And you want to get that pushed to the bottom. Okay, now put your ball down the barrel. Make sure it's clear, of course. Now put your ball down the barrel. And she's loaded. Let's take it outside. Alright guys, we're going to shoot the mini cannon we just made. and you just hold flame to the bottom, and the heat will light the matches. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for future updates and videos.